Hey fam, for those of you who just came across my channel, you are welcome, and for my returning viewers, you are my real MVPs. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for engaging. I'm really grateful. Today's tutorial I'm going to be making this scrunchie is different from the one I already have on my channel. If you want to know what that one looks like, just head down to my channel and then watch my previous video on how to make scrunchies, and then you see that that one is different. So let's just get started already. Alright guys, so the materials needed for this tutorial is just fabric, elastic, safety pin, your pair of scissors, and then your sewing machine or your hand needle thread. If you don't know how to use the hand needle to sew, or you don't have a sewing machine, just I'll drop the link to in my description where you can watch a video where I explained how you can sew with your hand needle. This is a very simple tutorial, just watch, and at this point you will hear my voice again until we get to the end. Watch and just practice. And your scrunchie is ready. We're done with this. It's like I said, it's very easy. It's something you can just watch and follow through and get it done. If you have watched to this point, I really, 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 really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, ask me any question. If there's a tutorial you want me to post, please leave it in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel. I will really have to love you, join my community. I really have to have you always see my videos. So please subscribe. Thank you so much, and bye.